Welcome to Bahrain, an island nation brimming with culinary treasures. Prepare to embark on a taste journey where history whispers through spices and culture dances on your palate. This island kingdom, nestled in the Arabian Gulf, is a melting pot of flavors. It invites you to explore its rich culinary tapestry, woven with threads of ancient traditions and modern influences. Come, discover the secrets of Bahrain's kitchen, where every bite tells a story. Our journey begins in the heart of Manama, Bahrain's vibrant capital. Picture yourself strolling through its labyrinthine souqs, where the air hums with the chatter of vendors and the scent of exotic spices. Let the aromas of saffron, cardamom, and cloves guide you, their fragrance a testament to Bahrain's historical trade routes. These spices, once carried on the winds of ancient trade winds, now infuse the island's signature dishes, adding depth and complexity to its culinary identity. Imagine the clatter of pots and pans, the sizzle of fresh seafood hitting hot griddles, and the murmur of families gathered around overflowing tables. This is the essence of Bahraini hospitality, where food is more than sustenance. It's a celebration of life, a symbol of community, and a tangible expression of love. From humble street food stalls to elegant dining halls, the spirit of generosity permeates every culinary experience, making each meal a memorable occasion. Bahrain's cuisine is a captivating reflection of its history. The island's strategic location in the Arabian Gulf made it a crossroads for trade, its shores welcoming merchants and travelers from distant lands. These interactions infused Bahrain's culinary landscape with diverse influences, resulting in a unique blend of flavors. Echoes of Persian, Indian, and African cuisines resonate in traditional Bahraini dishes, creating a harmonious symphony of taste. The island's history as a pearling center also played a crucial role in shaping its culinary traditions. Before oil, pearls were Bahrain's economic lifeline, attracting merchants and traders from across the globe. This influx of cultures brought with it a diversity of ingredients and cooking techniques, further enriching Bahrain's culinary repertoire. The legacy of this historical exchange is evident in the island's flavorful dishes, each bite a testament to its vibrant past. Today, Bahrain continues to embrace its culinary heritage while welcoming modern influences. The island's food scene is a dynamic tapestry where traditional recipes are passed down through generations, while innovative chefs experiment with new flavors and techniques. This harmonious blend of old and new ensures that Bahraini cuisine remains vibrant and exciting, a culinary adventure waiting to be discovered. Central to Bahraini cuisine is the artful use of spices. Each spice, with its unique aroma and flavor profile, plays a crucial role in creating the complex taste tapestry of Bahraini dishes. Saffron, with its delicate floral notes, lends a touch of luxury to rice dishes. Cardamom, with its warm, citrusy aroma, adds depth to stews and desserts. Cloves, with their pungent, sweet flavor, infuse both savory and sweet dishes with a distinctive warmth. Another cornerstone of Bahraini cooking is the emphasis on fresh, locally sourced ingredients. The island's fertile land produces an abundance of dates, figs, pomegranates, and citrus fruits, which feature prominently in both sweet and savory dishes. The surrounding waters provide a bounty of fresh seafood, essential to Bahrain's culinary identity. From the succulent hammer, a local grouper, to the delicate shrimp, seafood is often prepared with simple yet flavorful techniques, allowing its natural taste to shine. Rice, a staple in many Middle Eastern cuisines, holds a special place in Bahraini cooking. It forms the base of many traditional dishes, often cooked with aromatic spices and herbs, or paired with succulent meats and seafood. Makbous, a fragrant rice dish cooked with chicken or lamb and infused with saffron and cardamom, exemplifies the art of Bahraini rice cookery. This dish, often served at festive gatherings, showcases the delicate balance of flavors that defines Bahraini cuisine. No exploration of Bahraini cuisine would be complete without delving into its signature dishes. Makbous, a flavorful rice dish, embodies the essence of Bahraini cooking. Picture tender chunks of lamb or chicken, slow-cooked to perfection in a rich tomato-based sauce, infused with the heady aromas of saffron, cardamom, and cloves. This fragrant concoction is then layered over fluffy basmati rice, each grain absorbing the rich flavors of the sauce. Another culinary gem is muhamma, a sweet and savory rice dish that tantalizes the taste buds. Imagine fluffy rice, glistening with caramelized onions and the rich sweetness of dates. This dish, often served during Ramadan, is a testament to Bahrain's culinary ingenuity, where sweet and savory flavors intertwine to create a harmonious balance. For a taste of the sea, indulge in sayadiyah, a fragrant fish stew. This dish features ladled over a bed of fluffy rice, creating a symphony of flavors that captures the essence of Bahrain's coastal heritage. As our culinary journey through Bahrain comes to an end, we invite you to delve deeper into this island nation's vibrant culture through its food. Seek out the hidden culinary gems tucked away in bustling souks and local eateries. Engage with the friendly vendors and learn the stories behind their cherished recipes. Let each bite transport you to a world of flavor, where history whispers through spices and culture dances on your palate. Remember, food is more than sustenance. It's a portal to understanding a culture's soul. In Bahrain, every meal is a celebration of life, a testament to its rich history, and an invitation to experience its warm hospitality. So, let your taste buds be your guide as you embark on your own culinary adventure through the heart of Bahrain. May your journey be filled with the tantalizing aromas of spices, the warmth of Bahraini hospitality, and the unforgettable taste of a culture that embraces its culinary heritage. Bon appétit!